I absolutely crushed it at my local thrift store, and I found a ton of items that I'm getting ready to send into Amazon FBA. So in this video, I want to share with you some of the cool items I found. I'm going to actually bring you into my cell phone and share with you all the items that I found, how much they're selling for, and hopefully this can motivate you to go out there and start going to thrift stores, garage sales, auctions, flea markets, and picking up these items and send them into Amazon using Amazon FBA. So with that being said, let's dive right into this video. So the first item I want to share with you is an item that I am absolutely shocked to have found. This is probably one of my best DVD finds. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to scan, I'm using the Amazon Seller app, and this book was actually a pretty cool find as well. I'll share it with you after, but this is a $25 book. I got Mama Profits Keeps Trying to Call Me. And anyways, I'm going to scan this DVD right here. This DVD is selling for, it's pretty unbelievable, $241 on Amazon. Now, if you don't believe me, you can go to eBay as well. These things are selling for $200, $300. This will probably sell for over $300 because there's only 2 merchants and no FBA sellers. 376 reviews, 58,000 ranks. So this thing's probably selling, a couple times a day, at least multiple times a week. So that was number one. That was a really, really cool find. Second find that I came across was at my Savers. I already took the sticker off because the sticker will peel these items and the collectors won't want them. But this is the Lego Creator Set 5867. I ended up paying 20 bucks for this. I had a 30% off coupon from Savers, and I'm gonna scan this as well, and check this out right here. This is selling for $84 on Amazon. Now, some new sellers aren't gonna be able to sell DVDs, aren't gonna be able to sell Lego, so I was grandfathered in. If you want to be able to sell some of these products and you're not able to, you're going to have to get gated by purchasing from a wholesale distributor, which is pretty simple. You can check out Alliance, Ingram. There's different websites out there. But anyways, this is a pretty cool find. Now, as you can see, the gross proceeds are $65.94. And if I click on that and I type in the cost to purchase, my profit's going to come to about $45 minus shipping. So I'm probably going to make well over $40 profit on that item, which is really, really cool. Oh, here's another amazing DVD that I found. This is a Boston Red Sox DVD. This is used. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan the barcode just like that. And this thing's crazy right here. This thing is selling for, the lowest price is $149.99. I'm super excited to ship this in. Sports stuff is just blowing up right now with all the craziness going on and people at home watching, it's nostalgic. 90 reviews, 117,000 rank. I like to usually stay under 100,000, but something like this is definitely going to sell. I'm really excited about that. Number 4, I've got a bunch of stuff in front of me. Number 4, here's another, actually, matter of fact, I want to share with you another Lego item I found. This is Lego Duplo 2930. Brand new. I paid $25 on this item, and this is an item that I don't know if I was actually able to find this on Amazon. I might be selling this on eBay. Let me see if I can find it. It's pulling up the book underneath it. So you can actually scan the cover, and if it doesn't pull it up, sometimes there's no listing. So this thing on eBay was selling for well over $100. So I'm gonna search for a listing on that. But anything Lego, anything that's old, anything that's a couple years old, can definitely make you some good profits. Now check this out right here. This is a board game, Guess Who? I love this game. I'm gonna scan the barcode right here. And for something like this, one thing to keep in mind is there's gonna be different models and different variations. You have to find the correct one. So what I usually do, and I paid $7 for this, is I look to see what year it was from. So this is actually 1998. So I didn't see it pop up. So what I'm gonna do is try to scan the cover, and I wanna see if I could find the version. So that's the 1996 version right here. Doesn't look like it's popping up here. But anyways, I had found this. Oh, actually, is this it? Yeah, this is it right here. Okay, 1.4 million rank. Lowest price is $74. Now, something like this, when you find it over $1 million, just know it's gonna be a slower seller. It's not the hottest. It might sit for a while. You know, if this was like 10 or 15 bucks, I wouldn't buy it. But since it was 7, I think I might have actually gotten half off. I'm not sure. It's not a bad deal. Definitely not a huge score. Let's see. Oh, here was the vitamin B12 book that I shared with you before. So again, you could scan the barcode just like that, or you can scan the cover of the book, and then you can see that it is selling for, as this loads, $25.25. So I'll make 17 profit minus what I paid. I paid $3.99, so I'll end up making probably around $12 when all is said and done. And if you're wondering about, you know, how to sell books and how to start a book business, what's the best rank, how do I ship them, how do I go through this whole process, I'm also going to put a link to a free training that my buddy Avery and I are hosting, and we're gonna share with you the 5 steps to starting an Amazon business and how to go through the whole process. So you can check that out if you wanna dive a little deeper into that. But that's a really cool item right there. So that's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have a bunch of items right here. And oh, here's another interesting book that I found. And I have another book that I'm gonna share with you in a second that's selling for over $200 to $300. But this one, again, I'm gonna scan the barcode. And this one is selling for $17.96, 14 FBA sellers. The rank is 505,000, 26 reviews, and this is gonna make $8 profit minus what I paid. I ended up paying, it says $4, but I got the 5th book free, so about $3, so I'll make about $5 profit on that. And again, if you're wondering, well, what are you gonna do with all this, Steve? You throw it all in a box and you ship it to Amazon. It's really that easy. Oh, here was the book that I wanted to share with you guys. So this is called The Book of Knowledge, The Keys of, I don't know how to pronounce it, Enoch. Look this book up on eBay and look it up on Amazon. On eBay, this book is selling for over $200, sometimes even over $3. On Amazon, I'm gonna scan the cover. This book is, let's see. I thought I pulled up another listing before, so it's not saying right now on Amazon because there's no offers, but if you have what's known as a Keepa chart, so it's a Chrome extension, it's called Keepa, K-E-E-P-A, you can actually put that onto your Amazon screen and then it'll bring up a chart of what it's sold for in the past. This thing is typically selling for over $300 to $400. So check it out, conservatively $200, but I found this at a Savers for $3.99. So that's a really big score. It'll be somewhat of a slow seller, but definitely something that I'm excited about. Oh, here was another couple really cool finds that I wanted to share with you. I'm looking for the other one. This is a BOLO. Be on the lookout for The Adventures of Pete and Pete, Nickelodeon. Now, I don't think I could sell these on Amazon because I was restricted for one reason or another. Let me try to give it a scan. Yeah, I'm restricted. Even though I'm ungated in DVDs, for some reason, you'll be like restricted maybe on a brand or a specific name. So I'm actually gonna put these on eBay, but this one right here is selling for $45 on Amazon, and this one is actually brand new in the package. So I think I'm restricted on this one as well. And even though I'm ungated, it doesn't matter. Some items you're not gonna be able to sell. So this one's pretty crazy. You always wanna find the listing with the lowest rank. Yeah, I'm restricted on this, but check this out, $129 is the lowest price. So I'll definitely be able to get probably over $75 on eBay for that. And you know, probably 20, 30 bucks plus on eBay for that one as well. Here's another really cool board game that I came across. Let me scan her. And it's so easy, guys. All you gotta do is download the Amazon Seller app and just start going out and scanning items. This item right here has a 92,000 rank in toys. And remember, when you're selling items on Amazon, the rank is going to correspond with the category. So a 92,000 rank in toys is phenomenal, but a 92,000 rank in video games is horrible. So you've gotta learn about the different categories. And if you go on Google and you type in Amazon FBA sales rank chart, there's some free charts out there that can help you to kind of guide you in terms of what ranks you want to stick with. But for toys, you know, anything under $1 million is pretty solid. Anything under 100,000's selling like hotcakes. This is gonna make around 22 profit minus my fee, so I'll probably make about 15 bucks on that. And let's see if there's anything else I want to share that's worthy. Oh, this was an interesting looking book right here. It's not the best condition, but what I'm going to do is scan the cover since there's no barcode. and you'll be able to see, this is somewhat of a slower rank. And when I'm selling books, I typically use Scout IQ, which is way better. It gives you so much more information. It lets you know right off the bat, should I buy, should I pick it, should I pass? It gives you a lot more information. But for this video, I'm just using Amazon Seller App since it's free and Scout IQ is paid. But this book's selling for 26 bucks, which I thought was pretty cool. Very nostalgic right there. So yeah, tons of items that I ended up finding. Oh, here's one more item I want to share. I don't even know what this is selling for. Tonal Harmony. Let's give this a scan. Was this the one that I thought? Let's see. So you want to find the one, you want to make sure it's hardcover. This is hardcover. 27 bucks right there. And I actually can't sell this in used condition, so I might have to give this to my mom. My mom's actually ungated in popular textbook. Some textbooks you're not going to be able to sell if it's really popular, so my mom has a special account, so I'll give that to her. But yeah, I just want to share some of the items that I came across recently. Again, it's not to impress you, but it's more or less to impress upon you that it's not that hard. You got to go out there, go to the thrift stores, go to the garage sales, go to the auctions, the flea markets, consignment stores, and start scanning the barcodes, start looking them up. And you know, some of these items I'm going to put on eBay because there's restrictions, or it's maybe just not worth selling on Amazon. But I like Amazon more than eBay for especially media, books, board games, because they sell quicker, they're easier to sell, and you know, it's just, I don't have to worry about it. I throw it all in a box, I ship it to Amazon. Whereas with eBay, you know, there's less rules, it's less restrictive, but you know, I have to work through every part of the process. I have to create the whole listing, the item specifics. I have to take all the pictures. I have to store it at my house. I have to pick it, package, ship it, deal with customer service, returns, refunds. Where with Amazon's FBA program, I don't have to worry about any of that. So, you know, there's pros and cons for the new sellers who are just getting started. You might not be able to sell a lot of these items that I did. So you might be forced to have to sell on eBay, right? But folks who do have seasoned accounts, or for folks who understand how to get, you know, invoices from wholesale distributors to get ungated, you know, that's a very powerful way to start your business because there's a lot less competition. So with that being said, hopefully you enjoyed. I'll put the link down below to the free webinar that we're hosting, and we're going to walk you through the 5 steps to starting a book business: how to source, how to list, how to scale, how to ship, how to optimize, how to deal with everything. It's 100% free. So if you want more information, check that out. But yeah, with that being said, keep on picking and making that money, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.